Hello, my name is Paul Eric, and I teach physics, astronomy, geology, and meteorology at Ozarks Technical Community College in Springfield, Missouri. This series of videos is going to be all about science and math skills. So when you take one of my classes, I assume that you don't know anything about math or science. So what I do is I spend about 10 minutes of each laboratory period talking about these skills. And so here is a series of videos on each of those. So what I've done is for each of these topics I've indicated which of my classes that you ought to know these different topics for. So what we're going to be looking at in the course of these videos today is the scientific method, problem-solving strategies, the metric system, metric prefixes, converting units, scientific notation, rounding, and then an introduction to geometry, in which you'll learn different geometrical formulas, graphing techniques, scalars and vectors, measuring angles. And then introduction to algebra, directly and inversely proportional equations, properties of powers and roots, rearranging formulas, and so that will involve addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, powers and roots, logarithms, and trigonometry. And then an introduction to trigonometry. So I would not expect you to know any trigonometry for any of my classes, but I just wanted to introduce it to you. And then I also wanted to introduce to you what calculus is about. And then I want you to be able to use a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and then be able to use a scientific calculator. So here are some resources for you at Physics Fundamentals. They have a whole series of videos about these various topics that I'm going to be talking about. And then also Physics in Motion is another set of videos that you can watch that has information about math and science topics. And then there's also another set of videos called Chemistry Matters, and they also have some videos about science and math. Okay, let's take a break, and when we come back, we will discuss what is the scientific method.